Oh my goodness gracious. This is my puppy. Look how handsome he looks. Grandma bought him a new outfit. This is my puppy. This is my puppy. This is my puppy. Yeah, it's the camera. So we're about to go downstairs and make lunch for everybody. Huh, puppy? Huh? Are we gonna go cook for everybody? Are we gonna go cook? So we're gonna go downstairs and cook because it's lunchtime. And Vani is gonna help us. Does somebody have the hiccups? Does somebody have the hiccups? Huh? Does somebody have the hiccups? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are going to be starting out this video by cooking some lunch. We're working with HelloFresh for this video. And usually when we work with HelloFresh, we usually just show you guys one meal. But Mel's family is actually in town, so we have more people.
We're going to be making 2 meals today.
Two delicious meals.
You guys get a double whammy.
Double whammy. We're going to be making margarita chicken, pasta, and hot honey chicken with barbecue roasted potatoes.
HelloFresh they snapped on these meals.
Mike's hot honey, that's like Mel's, that's like you written all over. Like, if Mel was a meal, guys, this is what it would look like.
Exactly.
This hot chicken with potatoes and stuff.
Yeah, these meal combinations are like fire. And I think that's what helps us with dinner a lot, because like we would never think to make barbecue roasted potatoes.
Yeah, definitely. We've been using HelloFresh for, I feel like it's gonna be 2 years, right? But we're going on 2 years on using HelloFresh, and always the recipes never disappoint. And I really feel like we became better cooks from using HelloFresh. Like we learned so many new flavor combinations and techniques and stuff like that.
And it saves us so much time. Well, I should say me, because I've been doing all the grocery shopping.
I hate grocery shopping.
It saves me time because like it just arrives at the front door. You know, with everything going on, I don't have to wait in the lines outside the grocery store. The ingredients come right to our front door, and it just cuts down on a lot of time and a lot of stress. And
also everything comes pre-portioned out, so you're never wasting stuff. I feel like whenever Mel and I try new recipes, we go buy like a big bottle of this sauce, we use it once, and then it just sits in our fridge and goes bad. So that's another reason I love HelloFresh, is that we never waste. We end up using everything that we need and eating everything that we need.
Another good thing about HelloFresh is they're extremely flexible, so if you want to change your delivery day or meal preferences, you can do that very easily. Like sometimes we like to order just vegetarian meals, and then you can also skip a week. Like if you know you're going on vacation or something, you don't want food just sitting on your front porch, you can notify them to skip a week of your delivery as well.
And another reason we love HelloFresh is that they're all about giving back. So in 2019, they donated over 2.5 million meals, and they're really stepping up during the coronavirus crisis to help out people in need with meals, which is amazing. So if you guys want to try out HelloFresh for yourselves, you guys can use my code 80Nazanin to get $80 off your first box with purchase, including free shipping. So I'll put a link to it down below, so make sure you guys go to HelloFresh.com to check it out. So let's get to cooking. I already have a pot of water boiling in the back, some salted water, and then I also turn on the oven as well, so you know I'm ahead of the game. But let's get to cooking. So here's some close-ups of the meals we're gonna be making. And the thing that I love about HelloFresh is you get these recipe cards, and it's all easy to read on the back with pictures step by step, so it's really hard to mess it up. my beauty room to do some stories for my hair. I did some stories on this waver from insert name here, and my hair turned out so cute, guys. I love this hairstyle. I did use this waver from insert name here, and then some of the products that I use, Amica Fluxus hairspray all over, and then also I used my Ouai wave spray. I love this stuff. I'm almost out of my second bottle of it, so anytime you guys see me do beachy waves, I always use this spray from Ouai. And then I also just use some of this serum from Function of Beauty just to give my hair some more shine. And I also have extensions in, that's why my hair looks a lot longer, and my hair is also a lot lighter too. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but in person it looks pretty light. But anyways, back to the point of this video. So I'm gonna be transforming myself and getting Mel's reaction. Now, I pretty much have a classic look. You guys know I'm all about like the soft glam, and usually my hair is either like straight or curled. I don't really experiment much with my look. Like, I'm not someone who like wears like different wigs and, you know, does crazy makeup looks. Like, that's just not me. That's not really my style. So I thought it'd be really fun to just completely transform myself. Not only do I want to see like what I would look like, but I want to get Mel's reaction to me just completely changing up my look. So a while ago, Rissa and Quan did a video where Rissa like tattooed her whole body with these fake tattoos she got off of Amazon, and I was like, I did not know that existed. I even ordered like a fake nose ring. I really just want to completely transform myself and get Mel's reaction. Let's just get to it. I think for the makeup look, like I'm gonna go for a really like e-girl look. Like, I want to do like a thick wing liner, some blush on the tip of my nose. Let's just get to it. We're just gonna go with the flow, just come up with it as we go. So I'm not gonna, you know, sit here and do like a makeup tutorial because this video is not a makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna like speed through the base part because that's typically the same. And I'll put a list of products in the description box for you guys if you're interested in anything. The only thing I'm gonna really do different, I'm just gonna do like a really, really heavy eyeliner. I don't like my ears. That does not look cute. So I just finished up most of my base and I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm gonna use the Bellini palette from ABH Cosmetics. And let's use this color down here, Life's a Peach. And I'm gonna apply a lot of this. I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose because they always have it on their nose and it looks so good when they do it. I don't know if I could pull it off though. I don't even know, man. Is that cute? Again, I just want the focus of the eyes to be on the lashes and the liner. So I'm just gonna apply some shadows. I usually don't wear eyeshadow on my bottom anymore, but I'm gonna drag it underneath too. And I'm using a big fluffy brush to do this bottom part because I kind of want to look like I have like dark circles. You see how I did that, like to kind of make my eyes look a little bit darker. And now we're gonna go into lashes and liner. So my favorite liquid liner at the moment, if I can find it in this mess of a vanity that I have right here, is the Haus Labs eyeliner, Lady Gaga's line. So I'm just gonna do a really thick wing. So I know a lot of girls like to take their eyeliner all the way on the inside, and I've never done that, so I don't know if I should do it. I feel like I'm gonna mess up this look, but I might as well go all out, you know what I mean? Halfway through doing this, I realized I wasn't using my Haus Labs eyeliner. I was using my Lily Lashes eyeliner that's also adhesive. I was like, I can tell there's like a difference in the consistency. So for my lashes, I'm going with a lash that's way bigger than the lashes I typically wear. So here's what it looks like. So you guys know me, I typically wear like my Miami flares, but I'm gonna do something different today and wear a more dramatic lash. These are the, it's kind of hard to read on the packaging, but I looked them up on Instagram. This is the VKB Cosmetics lashes in the style Wings. And I am going to apply these to the eye. So again, the liner that I used is a lash adhesive as well. Hold on, let me. So, gonna apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. So I've seen people put like dots of eyeliner around their eyes, and I kind of want to do it, but I feel like I'm gonna regret it. It's just YOLO. If it doesn't look good, I'll just try my best to take it off. I'm just gonna do a little dot. Can you guys see the dot? I can't tell if you guys can see it or not. Hold on, I feel like there should have been an easier way to do this. I'm just getting carried away at this point. I'm gonna add some freckles. I've never done faux freckles. So let's hope it looks good. Okay, that is way too dark. I'm gonna let the freckles dry for a second and then blend them out a little bit, and then I'm gonna just do my lips while I wait. So I'm gonna take matte Cork. I can't tell if I hate this look or if I like it. For my lip color, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Bare Baby Lip Glace. Glace? I think that's how you pronounce it? I don't know. But it looks really pretty. So here is the completed makeup, guys. This is completely something I would not do on a typical basis, but I love it. Like the dots at the bottom, I think I like it. Like now that it's all come together, I don't know, do you guys think I can pull it off? Or do I look like I'm playing like dress up? Look at this. Look at this sleeve. I'm gonna put it on my arm. And then I have the faux nose ring. So we're gonna put this in. Fun fact, I wanted my nose pierced so bad when I was younger. It was definitely a phase, but I didn't end up getting it. Hold on, should I do silver? So here is the fake nose ring. I'll link this down below on Amazon if you guys wanna check it out. I'm just gonna pop it. I don't even know how to do this for real. I can't even see it because the viewfinder is so far away. But I hope you guys can see that. Can you see it? Okay. Now we're gonna put on the sleeve. Hold on, let me look it up. By the way, guys, I have no tattoos, if you're wondering. So I don't even know what I'm gonna look like with it.
Carefully slip off the backing paper and a beautiful tattoo will be revealed on your skin.
Okay, so I need to go to a sink to do this. Still watching the tutorial. I really hope this is easy to take off. Like, what if I have this on for like a week? Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. What are you laughing at?
What is this?
What?
This look.
You're laughing? You don't like it?
It's different.
Like the tattoos? That one got tatted earlier.
I do like that actually.
It's like my nose ring. My freckles.
Freckles, no.
Okay, the freckles are cute. Everyone thought I had a filter on Instagram. Hold on. Let me do a bad bitch face.
The freckles make you look like a musical, like makeup, like you're trying to be like a cat from a musical. Not really feeling the freckles.
What about everything else?
I like the tattoo. I think you should actually get a tattoo.
You know I don't want any tattoos.
That looks good. I mean, the makeup looks good. I don't like the freckles though. Not a fan.
You like the dramatic eyeliner?
Yeah. The little dots right here is cool. These. And the nose ring is cute.
So you're basically saying you like everything but the freckles.
Yeah, the freckles is weird. If you weren't blessed with them, sorry.
But you like my look?
Yes.
So do you like the new NAS, the new and improved NAS, or the old NAS?
I like the old NAS.
The old NAS is boring. This NAS looks like the life of the party. You know, f***ing with
You
it.
should get a tattoo though.
You like my sleeve? You want Mama and Baba to have a heart attack? Literally, you just put water on it. Like, it's like a temporary tattoo. Does this look real?
Kind of.
You didn't look at the edges? Does it look like I have like Vaseline on it?
If I like walk past you at the store, I'll think it was real. Cause it just looks like a fresh tattoo. You should get tatted, babe. Maybe not this much. Like
That's the thing.
Off rip.
That's the thing. If I was to get tatted, I always say this. Like, I don't want just like one delicate little tattoo. Like, if I'm gonna get tatted, I need to get tatted.
Who said that?
Me.
I have one here, and one here.
Me.
You don't have to get crazy.
Like, part of me either wants to have no tattoos or I want to be like Amina Blue.
What? No.
Do you want Mama and Baba to have a heart attack? They'd literally kill me.
You're a grown woman.
I am a grown woman, but you know I don't want tattoos. I think you'd look cute with a nose piercing. Show him.
No.
Show him.
No.
Show him.
I don't want a nose piercing.
Oh, where'd it go?
That was a sign from the universe.
I feel like the cool kids. Do not kiss my forehead like some weirdo.
What? You got freckles on your face like a little cat.
Babe, everybody thought this was a filter. It's not crazy. Show them your new look with your braids. They haven't seen them.
You know.
Hey, this Mel's new look.
They call me Melon Iverson.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. What do you rate this look?
The look?
Okay, minus the freaking freckles. I could see you staring at them.
Like a 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Would you cake me at Bullwinkle's? If you're from Ohio, you know. If you saw me at Bullwinkle's.
Well, I walk up and I immediately say she painted on her freckles. So
You want to see it in the dark of the club.
I can tell.
Okay, aside from the freckles, if you saw me at Bullwinkle's, would you cake?
Yeah, I mean, you still look like yourself.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to check out HelloFresh in the description box. And
What? Did you say subscribe?
I did say subscribe. I'm dreading washing off this makeup. Bye guys, thanks for watching.